Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials, charged earbuds and your phone ready. Put the earbuds into pairing mode now, hold the button or open the case until the light flashes or you hear a prompt, because pairing mode makes the earbuds discoverable. On your phone, open Settings and tap Bluetooth, keep the screen active so the phone scans. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is on. Disabling other audio devices helps prevent accidental connections. This fast start gets both devices talking and prepares you to select the correct audio device. You should now see the earbuds appear in the phone's scan list. Tap their model name to begin pairing, because the phone needs explicit confirmation to bind profiles. If a PIN or pairing request appears, accept it. Usually the code is 0000 or 1234. But most modern earbuds use one-tap confirmation. After you tap, wait for the system to set up a 2DP and call audio profiles so media and calls route correctly. Once linked, play a short clip to verify audio and make adjustments. Finish by setting volume and granting mic permissions so calls work. Test both music and a short phone call to confirm input and output. If the earbuds fail to connect, forget them in Bluetooth settings and repeat pairing. This clears stale profiles. When problems persist, reset the earbuds per manufacturer steps, reboot the phone, and ensure firmware is current. Interference or long range can block pairing, so keep devices within about 10 m and away from Wi-Fi routers. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.